Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today we're going to be doing some before and after comparisons following the installation of our PRL Motorsports Cobra cold air intake. Before we got this thing, I was a little concerned it might be a little too loud or obnoxious, and I had a really hard time finding good before and after comparisons. Initially, we're going to give you the good stuff, some real quick before and afters in the garage with the hood open and the hood closed, and then doing some drive-bys out on the street. And then we're going to give you some initial drive impressions, and then at the very end, we'll give you some impressions after we've been driving with this thing for a few weeks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please support our channel by giving us a thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button. Even if you don't like the video, just leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my beautiful velvet jacket. Thanks a lot for watching. Okay, now we're just going to do some driving. Try not to grind my gears. Man, that really grinds my gears. I can definitely feel the power though. Yeah. Mac, what do you think about the sound?
Lovely.
If I'm driving it, you know, in really calm, you know, just shifting gently and not really revving it up, I don't hear it very much. I do end up hearing the intake when I'm under sort of like half throttle acceleration, kind of through the 2,000 to 4,000 range, as it's just bleeding off some pressure. So we'll show you some of that. And of course, you know, whenever you're kind of shifting a little higher on the RPMs, you'll get a little more turbo sound, and definitely a lot of sound if you're kind of shifting in the higher RPMs. So here's what I mean. I'm going to kind of do one of these half throttles, and you kind of get an idea of how it just kind of bleeds that pressure through the acceleration. And then as soon as you let off the gas, kind of hear that hissing as you go up. Then as soon as you let off the gas, you get that kind of big drop in pressure. So if I'm just kind of driving around gently, not shifting too late, you hear it a little bit, but it's really not that loud. I think probably the biggest problem is it encourages me to drive more aggressively, because it's kind of like a reward when you're shifting to hear it. lights lighting up when he's braking?
In front of us.
Yeah. He's got some sort of issue. So guys, I hope this answers some of your questions about what the PRL Cobra cold air intake sounds like on the Integra. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to answer them. Or if I didn't show you something that you thought you might like to see or hear, let me know. This thing's a lot of fun to drive. Like I said, it's not obnoxious at all. It sounds really good. It looks good under the hood. Kind of all the reasons that we went ahead and went for this intake just ended up playing out perfectly. We really love it, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you got what you needed out of it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know what else you'd like to see us do on our Acura Integra A-Spec. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.